September 5th is the birth anniversary of one of modern India's most notable teacher and philosopher, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the first Vice President of India and even the second President of India. Just as a country is as good for its people, its citizens are only good for its teachers. It is the teacher who sees a statue in the stone block. Teachers identify a spark in the child and turn it into fire. Teaching is the mother of all professions. Teachers' Day reminds us of the responsibilities, passions, dedications and contributions of our teachers towards shaping the future generations. Hence, I take privilege in wishing all our teachers in the school and around the globe a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers are a blessing in disguise. They are the guiding light at the end of our tunnels. We are fortunate that we are blessed with such wonderful teachers who are always there for helping and grooming us into the finest individuals. Every year on this day, we come up with various cultural programs. But this year, due to COVID-19 pandemic, all the schools are closed. We are not celebrating this day with our teachers physically by touching their feet and seeking blessings from them. But during this pandemic, our teachers are working hard for us. They are teaching us virtually as well as checking our answer sheets. They are taking regular online classes to make us even more knowledgeable. They are working consistently to make our studies easier and even more comprehensive for us. None of the achievers in this world has attained a feat without the guidance of a teacher. Since the first day of our school, we have always looked up to our teachers, who always have treated us like their own and have loved us from the bottom of their hearts. We thank you for feeding us with valuable lessons and for pushing us with motivation to survive through any obstacles in this world. We pray for your good health and prosperity all throughout your life. Thank you.
ধুলার তলে মাথা নত করে দাও হে তোমার চরণ ধুলার তলে সকল অহংকার হে আমার ডুবাও চোখের জলে আমার মাথা নত করে দাও হে তোমার চরণ ধুলার তলে নিজেরে করিতে গৌরবদান নিজেরে কেবলি করি অপমান নিজেরে করিতে গৌরবদান নিজেরে কেবলি করি অপমান আপনারে শুধু ঘেরিয়া ঘেরিয়া ঘুরে মরি ফলে ফলে আমার মাথা নত করে দাও হে তোমার চরণ ধুলার তলে আমারে না যেন করি প্রচার আমারও আপন কাজে তোমারি ইচ্ছা করো হে পূর্ণ আমারও জীবন মাঝে যাচি হে তোমার চরম শান্তি পরাণে তোমার পরম কান্তি যাচি হে তোমার চরম শান্তি পরাণে তোমার পরম কান্তি আমারে আড়াল করিয়া দাঁড়া হৃদয় পদ্ম দলে আমার মাথা নত করে দাও হে তোমার চরণ ধুলার তলে সকল অহংকার হে আমার ডুবাও চোখের জলে আমার মাথা নত করে দাও হে তোমার চরণ ধুলার তলে
Without teachers, life would have no class. Teacher, a single individual capable of making miracles every single day. They hold a very special place in the lives of students. From them leads the ideas and thoughts that one day each one of us will use to provide back into this society. Thank you for emboldening us. We are so grateful to our teachers who never consider us less than their own children while teaching and guiding. I don't know how to make the most inspirational speech, but here is what I have to speak as a student on the Teachers' Day, that our teachers, they can't be expressed with words. They are more than words. We hope the short program arranged by us during this
pandemic period have reached our lovely teachers' hearts. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support they are providing us even in this pandemic period. We may not remember everything you said, but we will always remember how special you made us feel. Once more, I would like to say that to the world, you may be just a teacher, but to your students, you are a star. I dedicate one ancient Guru Mantra to our teachers. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Hi Sakshat Parama Brahma, Tashmai Sri Guruve Namah. Thank you once again. Stay safe, stay healthy.